Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are taking care of your family and you this pandemic situation. Alright, let's dive into the topic. Today's video session, I'm gonna show you a trick that is related to reversing the string, right? In the previous video, I have shown you a trick that shows testing the odd number. In a very shortest way. So this is how your interview questions will be. Actually, the questions they ask might know from you, but the idea is they will ask you to find a better solution or in alternative way. They will try to ask you, try to code in string reverse in an alternative way. Try to test the other numbers without using if condition. So different ways that you can program. That's how interviews will be. The questions will not be straightforward, rather they will try to test your knowledge in alternative sources. Okay? Because they know you are well in this program, and they want to test you how you are going to code that same solution in a different way. That's the point in interview. And let's focus in this program. Coming back to the point, I have string variable and I define this string as some text. This is our first task. Additionally, I have to define a string to reverse that content. Let's name it as background. Now I have defined a string type. One is the actual string, and then the other one is the string that needs to be reversed. In the second task, I want to find the elements of the last array. How do I do that? You can think of it as a for loop. I'm going to declare int type I equal to. So we have to find the last array element, right? It is kind of like imagine a number that you count from 10, 9, 8, and that's the similar approach here. To have that type, we have to test that because this is the text that we want to test. So where dot length, right? Don't forget to add this bracket because when it comes to string, you should use this kind of function, the length with the bracket and not the length that has no bracket. And as I said, it's a kind of like counting a number from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and so on. So it is like 0 to -1. So that's how we determine the last array element. We have tested value, and since it is reverse position, again you can think about a number from 10 to 1, so it will be decreasing. Now the task is over. I think this is correct. I have tried to find the element of that last element. The next task is how do I return that character at a specific dotting dot n I and this. How do I do that? Very simple. I want to reverse the string, so para. I'm going to use compound operator. Compound operator is a shorthand for like plus or minus or something like that. So that's the shorthand for compound operator. I can use the compound operator like this, which is equivalent to para plus. Okay. So I'm going to use the compound operator. Now the line looks simple. So print para then the compound operator. What do I have to paste? Where is that right? Yep. So that means rev para equal to rev para plus the method is where dot uh, rev para equal to rev para plus yeah, okay. Notice this is equivalent to rev para equal to rev para plus and dot and it. So this compound operator is equal to this statement. Okay. Alright, now we have done with this task. Return a character at a specific index position. Hope works fine. Next thing is I have to print that sequence of string. So to print the sequence of string, it's pretty simple. System dot out dot print line. Let me print the actual string back, and then I can print the reverse string. The reverse string new para. Everything fine. Last main method and close. Perfect. I'm gonna compile the program and then run the program. Now the file name reverse, right? Everything's fine. Compilation. Let me run the program. Bam. So I got this bunch of text in the reverse fashion. It kind of cool is made. Yep. So perfect, guys. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please do subscribe to our channel for more interview tips. That's the idea of all these programs. Okay. My goal is not to explain you a programming language or the syntax of that particular language, but we will look at these old school programs and we will transform into different solutions. That's the kind of interest I have. Thank you again.